and I never had to compromise on my content. No, I could still make the content that my audience truly wanted and not have to rely only on AdSense that's up and down. So if that's you and you want to be a part of this free community, and just in true transparency, this is a new community, so we can make this thing whatever we want. So if you're interested, go to the link in the description, click on the Cash Creators, and let's get this thing going. I'll see you in there. Now back to what I was talking about. So today I was out at the golf course, not really the golf course, I was at the range. And by the way, guys, this is not going to be some heavily edited video. I just wanted to get on and kind of speak about what was in my head while I was at the golf range. So I was there, and as I was hitting the balls, I realized, like, man, you can make a YouTube channel and monetize it early out of anything. Like, now, once I've learned about affiliate marketing and I was able to do, 6 figures plus this last year, I realized, like, man, it was all around me the whole time. I just didn't know about it, and I didn't know it well enough to actually take action on it and make it work for me. And now that I do know, I can see it in any channel now. And so I was there and I'm like, man, this could even work for golf. And so, yeah, that's what I'll use that as an example today. But really getting on here to, one, show y'all that there are other ways to make money before you're monetized on YouTube. And then two, give you one example in the affiliate marketing way, right, to be able to get it done. Because like I told you, I've been on both sides. Like, I've been on a lot of sides. I've been on waiting for monetization, and I've gotten monetization. And even in that, sometimes the space that you're in, the monetization is still not a lot of money, right? Like, I have one channel that I've been using. I gotten my subscribers up, and I've gotten all this stuff. And even after being monetized for a whole year, I was averaging somewhere between 2 and at the high, like around $400 on that channel from Google AdSense in on the monetized channel. And so even at that, right, an extra $200 to $400 a month is not bad. But when you couple that with the affiliates that I was able to partner with, the companies that I was able to partner with on the affiliate side, even with that extra $200 to $400, I was making an additional, 1,000, 3, 5, etc., right, on that same information and stuff. Why? Because of affiliate marketing. And the route that I'm talking about today with it is taking people on the journey. Okay, so you can do a bunch of different things, but one of the most powerful ways to use affiliate marketing on YouTube is taking people on that journey with you, so that they can see themselves in you as you do the thing. And now, once you're even finished doing that thing, people who come behind you or behind them can also see themselves and go down the same journey, right? That's why they have those playlists that you can put together on YouTube and kind of clump those things together, and people can go down that journey all over again. So you've done it once, and it can serve you for years to come, especially on YouTube, right? It's a living, breathing platform that, as long as the content is good, as long as it's evergreen, they can last for a long time. So when I talk about affiliate marketing and how this one taking people along the journey can really change the game for you,